y'all, welcome back to another video. So I stumbled across this wig, y'all, on Amazon, and I just had to come tell y'all about it because listen, I literally was looking for a wig last minute for my trip, and girl, when I say this wig is bomb, okay? So what first got me was the reviews. I'm like, it can't be, like the reviews were just too good to be true, okay? But then I actually ordered the wig and I got it, and it really was very, very good hair. So I got this wig, and it's a frontal wig, 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's the water wave texture, and you can really tell the difference between the water wave and the deep wave. So yeah, it's definitely water wave. I'm just showing you guys how the wig came straight out the pack. Like, this is how it came. It didn't come pre-plucked, but I didn't mind because like, I really don't do a lot of plucking to my wigs until over time, because the wig is going to thin and bald, and you don't want no bald wig, babe. So yeah, the wig was true to length. It was 26 inches, and that's how I look at the ride. Conditioned it. It looks so bomb. Like, that wig, this wig is bomb, okay? Go get this wig. I'm already telling you that now, okay? That's how much hair I plucked. So yes, I did put my scarf on my wig. I am one of the girls, I really like to, do the work on the head before I actually put it on my head. I like to do it on the mannequin. It does save you a lot of time. You are going to see me install this wig with this thick behind hairline, y'all, and you'll see why in the end. Just keep watching. So I always like to go a shade darker than my skin tone, just because it helps me blend the powder in seamlessly to my skin. You see me here, I'm just cutting the ear tabs out. Make sure you cut those ear tabs correctly. You don't want to cut them wrong, for real. You're going to have a messed up wig. So make sure you cut them at an angle. So yes, I am using Bold Hold for my glue today. I'm going to be using Bold Hold until I can get my hands on the Erica J Hold Me Down Lace Glue. Just stay tuned. But yeah, so I'm using the Bold Hold, and I think I did like 2 or 3 layers. I think I did 3. But yeah, I'm just doing 3 layers of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig. So you definitely want to wait till the glue dries, but you want to make sure that it's more so like tacky. So that's why you see me touching it to see if it's kind of tacky. And then I do like to put a little bit of freeze spray sometimes, just to kind of give it that extra hold. And then yeah, you're going to go ahead and line the wig up on your hairline, and you're going to make sure that you press it into your skin. So y'all blame Tay, but listen, this mousse This foam lotion is the best, and ever since I started using it, I don't use nothing else to get that wig flat, honey, because it gets the job done. Okay, I used to use Lotta Body, and I still like Lotta Body, but I think this one right here has got it's staying for sure. It's staying for sure. So you just see me put a little bit of the foam on my hairline and kind of just press it back, and then boom, we're gonna put the elastic band on. I think I left it on for like 15-20 minutes just because, I was kind of not in a rush, but trying to get this done. It was kind of late, so okay, y'all know I don't play by my hot comb. Not gonna do it. I don't care how many times I gotta do it. If I gotta do it 100 times, we gonna get that thing flat. And then when you cut your lace, cut it at an angle. It is best to use a razor sometimes. But if you just want to be very precise, it's good to get really close and use this little small scissors like I have. Either one gets the job done for sure. Okay, so let me clear this up before y'all get crazy on me in the comments. I don't know what happened to my clip where I did my baby hairs, but guess what? I came through. So if you go over to my Instagram at therealchinab _babes, I dropped the baby hair tutorial just for you who's gonna be like, you ain't show us how you did the baby hair. You did all that cutting and you still ain't showed us. I don't know what happened to the clip. So go over there and check it out if you need a very detailed video on baby hairs. Okay? Okay. So all I did after I laid my baby hairs down was I went ahead and showed you guys how I get this hair popping. I'm talking about big popping. I will be doing a curly hair routine, but just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, baby, for watching. I'll see you in my next.